Following segment is sponsored by St. Lucia Tourism Authority, Go City, Chase, and Motel 6. Summer travel season is officially upon us. If you are still looking for a wonderful place to go, or if you have already picked out your vacation spot and need some advice on what to do when you get there, travel expert Laura Begley Bloom is here to help us out. Laura, thanks so much for joining us.
Thanks so much for having me.
All right, first things first, where do we start?
Let's start with an amazing location that should be on your bucket list, St. Lucia. They have a new program called Summer St. Lucia Style with 40 resorts, hotels, and villas offering up to 65% off through September. While in St. Lucia, you can soak in the famous mud baths, sail to the majestic Piton Mountains, and check out new activities like bamboo river rafting and glass bottom kayaks. There are nonstop flights from many major cities, including daily flights from New York, Atlanta, Charlotte, and Miami. You can get more info at stlucia.org.
Amazing. I don't know how anyone can look at that footage and not want to go there. How do you find the best experiences once you land at your vacation destination?
Yeah, well, once you're at your travel location, you need to know what to do. Go City is the go-to app to help you access the best experiences in 30 top cities, from New York to Barcelona, even Singapore and Seoul. Here's how it works. Go City lets you access all the best things to do from one pass for one price right from your phone. You can see wish list attractions like the Empire State Building or the Eiffel Tower, go on hidden gem walking tours, and so much more. And you save a ton, up to 50% off regular ticket prices. Download the Go City app or visit gocity.com.
Easy enough. Okay, what recommendations do you have for us for spontaneous last-minute trips?
Yeah, recent data from Motel 6 shows that 2/3 of traveling Americans say the best trips are spontaneous and decided on a whim. For those last-minute trips to summer concerts, national parks, and more, travelers can download the app and save with My6, the free rewards program from Motel 6, which offers access to hundreds of discounts and promotions, along with 6% off stays and fast booking. With 1,400 locations, Motel 6 always offers a clean, comfortable, and affordable place to stay. Go to motel6.com.
Perfect. Okay, do you have any other tips for summer travelers?
Yep. Finally, one of the best travel tools is right within your phone, your banking app. The Chase mobile app has features to set automatic savings toward a goal like a family vacation, create and track a budget, and use tools to help you easily split costs of meals, hotels, or tickets while on the go. You can also take advantage of travel rewards right from your banking app to use toward travel, dining, entertainment, and more. Go to chase.com/mobile.
Perfect, Laura. Where do we go for more information?
For more information, you can go to stlucia.org, gocity.com, motel6.com, and chase.com/mobile.
Perfect. Well, Laura, thank you so much for being with us today, and safe travels.
Thanks, you too. Thanks for having me.